Welcome, everybody, and welcome to our trade analysis for the New York session. So this is Sky Vision Lounge, where we do trade analysis for London session and the New York session, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. So you're in the New York session now, and typically we like to see, we like to follow the trend, right? So we say when price is moving from a low point, we need to keep repeating this so that you can see the pattern and you can begin to look at it for yourself, right? So that's why I keep repeating this pattern so that we can see it and begin to take those decisions independently. You won't need to wait for somebody to tell you that, oh, this is a break of structure here, or break of structure here, or price has changed direction when it breaks structure there, and then it moves down. All right, so we like to see from a low, we want to see price move up, and then it pulls back, and then it moves up again, giving us a break of structure right there, right? And then it pulls back again, and then it pushes up again, giving us another break of structure, right? And we use valid ranges. There's a way we do that using opposite candles and pullback candles in the inner circle, the VIP inner circle membership. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. So there are three things we like to look at before we place any trade. What has price done? Where is price now? And what must I see price do before I execute a trade? Okay, so we're going to implement these things we just talked about now on our chart. Let me expand this now so we can see what is happening. I want to capture what happened from beginning of today. Okay, so price started. This is gold on 30 minutes chart. It pushed up, it pulled back down, it pushed up, pulls back, does a small back and forth there. Eventually, breaking these structures, these highs here, it broke that structure, and then now it's come back here. So when it was up here at these highs here, and when you look backwards, right? When you look backwards to say, where is the last opposite candle that caused this move up? If you look up, this is bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle. This is the first opposite candle within that break of structure that occurred. So this is the last opposite candle, this zone here, that pushed this price up, right? So that is our valid range, right? So, and that's why I have this small line in the sand type thing there. So we expect that now that price has pulled back to this level, it should expectedly move back up. However, if it does not do that, and then it decides to give you a nice break and close below, then that changes the direction. So this becomes a break of structure to the downside. So remember our structure, when price is moving up and it moves up like that, let's say it gives you one leg move. When it comes all the way back down, breaking this last lower high. So remember, this zone here is the last zone that moved price up, that caused that price to move up. Once you now break that zone, you now expect that price will potentially pull back and then change direction. But will it always do this? No, we don't know what it will do per time. However, we can just follow what the market is giving us per time. So the thing now is, are you willing to place a risk to say, okay, I'll place a buy right here. I put my stop loss maybe somewhere below there, right? Let me say somewhere below there. Yeah, and just in case the price will just come and wick this level and then go up. Yeah, it's a valid trade to take a buy right now. It's valid. However, it only becomes invalid when price then presses below and closes below there. Okay, right. So that is for gold. We're looking for potential buys, and then if it breaks below those lows there, we then see if we can get price to move even further down to these other lows here. Okay, let's look at the next pair. This is pound JPY. Okay, so pound JPY today has been in a nice trend. It first moved down, moved up. So during Asia, it gave a nice break of structure. So if you were awake at this time, you then see it move down like that, and then it's pushed up again, another break of structure, another pullback. So during London session, it pulled back nicely there, and then give us this nice move here. So it's giving us a nice move. Right now, is right here now. Is in this on this pullback. If you ask again that same question, so price is is in an uptrend, howbeit very, or rather, albeit pretty much contained, right? It's not massive push up, right? So it's just pushed up, and then where's our line in the sand now? I would say is this one here. This is our line in the sand here, because this is the last opposite candle. This is a valid break of structure there, right? So it moved up. So if it breaks below those lows, then it will have changed direction. Okay, let's look at the next one. This is Euro Yen. Let's see what it's doing. It moved up initially, and then nice break of structure, a nice pullback, another push up, a deeper pullback there. Then you get a very nice push up during London session, and then it pulls back, comes back up here. It seems Euro Yen is having actually very deep pullbacks. So it's going back to these highs here. So potentially we can expect it to break these structures high here, and then potentially go up, further up. If not, if it then breaks this line in the sand here, then it's no longer in an uptrend. Okay, let's look at the next pair. Pound Aussie. Okay, this one is don't like this combination that it's giving me here. So it pushed down, pulls up, comes all the way down, giving a break of structure, and then it goes all the way back up, breaking structure there. Then it has a very deep pullback, and then now it's pushed up and then pushed back down, and it's pushing up again. So it's either it's just a big range. It's a very big range. We don't have clear lower lows, lower highs, or higher highs, higher lows. Right. So this is a very big range. For all we know, it can go all the way to break above and then continue going up, or from here, it will just come all the way back down. Right. Okay, let's see what the next one is. This Euro USD, Euro. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Euro USD is looking more like a nice trend. So this is good. So it's pushed up, nice break of structures there, a pullback, another push up, though it didn't go all the way up, but on the next leg, it then broke that structure very nicely. It pulls back, goes up, pulls back again, comes up, pulls back again, gave a very huge, I think there was news just recently. Anyway, it's gone up and it's come down now. So this whole zone here, this is where price is now. Where's our break of structure? So our last break of structure, this one is a weak break. Okay, let's look for the body break. Which one has a body break? Wow, it's here. This is the last body break here. Wow, okay. So you can either decide to use this, for instance, as your last line in the sand. So expecting that price will move up. Then if it breaks below here, then you can begin to look for your sells, right? But if not, let's see if price will then move up from this zone here, and then just continue going up, hopefully. Okay, let's look at pound USD. What is this doing? Pound USD. Let me move this thing up here. Okay, so pound USD2 is looking pretty bullish. A push down, a small up and down there, and then a nice push up, a pullback, another. In fact, let me just use this one. A nice push up, pullback. So right now it's somewhere around here. So the last valid break of structure. Oh, actually, we have, if we just use one candle, so this would be your opposite candle. This is your pullback candle, right? So that would be your last break of structure. So it's pretty at the highs there, pretty much at the very highs. So we want to see if it's going to break below. If it breaks below, would it come back down to these lows here or even lower, right? Or it will just, begin to go up from there. If you're just using this trend, then we expect it to continue going up. Yeah. So we'll be looking for situations to buy. Actually, can buy right now and then see if price will go up. But with this is 30 minutes. With this bearish engulfing candle here, and this one which came all the way up and then came down again, is looking, you have to really just take the risk. Just take the risk. Maybe I'll probably be more I'll be more interested in is it euro pound JPY? Yeah, I think I'll be more interested in taking pound JPY than this one right now. Anyway, let's look at the last one. USD JPY. Okay, so this one, yeah, it did a nice thing that we're expecting early in the morning. So it pushed up, came back down, break of structures, had a very big wick there, did not close above, right? And then came back down, went up, eventually doing a market structure shift there and a nice break of structure. It pulls back and then it comes back down. Oh, okay, it has not even hit these lows here. And then it's rejecting it now. Okay, let's see if it will give it one more leg to come down. Overall, it's looking more like it wants to come down. If you trace out all these higher lows there, it's looking like it's coming down. However, if it then decides that, okay, we're going to break these highs here, where's our last? So these are last low. So this is our line in the sand up here. So if it breaks this high here, then that will be a break of structure. Or if it then breaks this lower one here, this will be a market structure shift right there. Okay, so let's see what the market will do. I don't know which particular pair will I be. Well, maybe gold. I think gold will be XAU USD. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, this one, that buy there will have been very nice there. Just put your stop loss below there and see if it goes up to that highs there. Yeah, good. I think gold will be very nice there. And then we'll see if pound yen too. The next one, pound yen. Yeah, if pound yen too can do a buy from somewhere there, up there. Okay. Do we have any questions? Let me check the chat. Okay, no questions in the chat box. Okay, very good. So thank you very much. For the inner circle members, we have our session tomorrow, a Q&A session tomorrow, 7 p.m. It promises to be very, very good. Very, very interesting too. Right. So we'll see you back then. Thank you very much. I stop the recording.